Holding your needles. When you first start knitting, it can be difficult to feel comfortable holding your needles. I begin by placing my work in my left hand. I hold over the top of the needle with my first finger and thumb placed at the start of my work. I then take my working needle into my right hand. When knitting smaller pieces, I can simply hold this in between my finger and thumb, nestled in my hand. I gather my wool and I can begin knitting. This works very well for smaller pieces where the needle is resting in between my finger and thumb. However, as my piece of knitting begins to grow and the amount of knitting on the needle begins to grow, I can find it difficult to maintain this needle hold. I then I take my right hand and I lift it over the top of my needle, and this becomes more comfortable. And I'll continue knitting this way when knitting larger pieces of work. When I've moved my hand into this over the needle position on my working needle, I use my other fingers to support the work so that I don't drop my needle as I wrap my work. This makes it easier and helps increase speed.